If you keep thinking that farming is for the poor, you are wrong, and I'm not sorry about that. Look here. What if I told you that this land you walk past every single day, this soil you call ordinary, is not just silent, that beneath its stillness are 6 different farming voices, different rhythms, 6 different promises, waiting only for structure, patience, and belief, and you become a millionaire. By the end of this video, you are not just going to have a farm. You are going to have a system, a design, a quiet rebellion against poverty, dependency, and guesswork. As for me on this farm, the land is divided, not to weaken it, but to multiply it. 6 farming ideas, 6 income streams, 1 vision. So, welcome to Korobe Poultry Farm, and as always, please let me know where you are watching from, either the county or the country, in case you are outside the Republic of Kenya. And for those who have already subscribed, please thank you so much. For those planning to subscribe, walk with us, come with us. Let me show you 6 farming ideas that you must do beginning 2026. So let us begin. First of all, I want you to divide your land into 6 parts, however small your land is. Are you getting me? Are you getting me? Divide your land into 6 parts. Now I want you to follow me very keenly to the end, because this video is very, very important for you. Now the first part, like just I have done in my land, I have allocated the first land for poultry. I call poultry the fastest whispers. Did you know that the chicken does not wait? The chicken responds quickly to care, to discipline, to routine. Now here in my farm, poultry is not chance farming. It is timed farming, and just I want you to do what I'm exactly telling you. From day-old chicks to layers, every gram of feed is measured, and you must measure it. Every week is accounted for. Every egg is a daily reminder that consistency beats luck. Now let me tell you, eggs will come daily. Cash flow comes weekly. Losses are visible and profits are very predictable. Chicken farming is the heartbeat of the farm. Small creatures but relentless returns. While other remaining 5 sectors grow slowly, poultry farming will pay your bills. Are you getting me? Now, if you have gotten me, please press this subscription button as we go to idea number 2. If you want to be a millionaire and be counted in your village, you must divide your land into 6 sectors that I am just telling you right now. The sector number 1 we have said is the sector for poultry farming. You must have that part in your land. Now, the sector number 2 is the sector of goats. Goats are the survivors. Goats do not beg for perfection. They thrive where others fail. They are drought resistant, disease tolerant, and market ready. This sector is about strength. Are you getting me? Goats convert grass into value, patience into profit, time into meat, milk, and breeding stock. Now let me tell you a secret, but don't tell anyone. Are you getting me? Goats multiply quietly. 1 becomes 2, 2 becomes 4, and suddenly wealth is standing on 4 legs on your farm. That is the secret. The secret is God's farming is for harsh times, and harsh times will always come on your farm. 1 idea will fail, 2 ideas will fail, but on this part of the goats, you will always get it right on farming goats. So idea number 1 is chicken farming. Idea number 2 is goats farming. Now let us go to the idea number 3. Now on the 3rd portion of your land, I want you to have bees or beekeeping, the silent workers. You do not feed the bees, you just protect them. They work while you sleep, they pollinate while you rest, they produce without any noise. Honey is harvested, wax is sold, pollination improves the entire farm. This sector teaches every other sector coffee blooms better, tomato fruits stronger, the land breathes deeper. Bees are a proof that the smallest workers often create the biggest impact. This is what we are doing in our farm, and I want you exactly to do what I'm telling you. Are you getting me? Please continue subscribing, because idea number 4 is going to shock you. On the 4th portion of your land, I want you to have tomatoes, because I also have the tomatoes. The tomatoes are high-risk flames. Tomatoes are a temptation. They promise fast money, yet they punish ignorance. For sure, this sector demands timing, disease control, market awareness, because a single mistake can wipe away your entire harvest. But done right, these returns are explosive. Here, tomatoes are staggered, planted in phases, harvested in waves, sold in prices peak. This is farming for thinkers, for planners, for those who understand that risk is not danger, it is opportunity with knowledge. Now let us go to the portion 5 of your land. Here, I want you to have coffee, the long game. Coffee teaches humility. You plant today, but you harvest in months later. This is not farming for the impatient. This is legacy farming. Each seedling goes into the soil like a promise whispered to the future. There are seasons of pruning, years of waiting, months of care before the red cherries finally arrive. And when they do, they carry export value, global demand, and premium prices, of course. Coffee does not rush, but when it pays with dignity. So I want you to have coffee on your 5th portion of land. Are you getting me? Have you subscribed? Okay, let us go to part 6, which is the final and the most sweetest part. Now on your 6th portion of land, I want you to have vegetables, and in this case, I want you to have cabbages in particular. I call them the bulk providers. Cabbage is not flashy, it is reliable. Heavy heads, large volumes, consistent demand. This is food security farming. Markets never sleep on cabbage. Homes always need it, hotels buy it in bulk. Here, spacing matters. Water matters, harvesting time matters. Each head is weighty, each weight is money. Cabbage does not shout, it delivers. Let me hope you have seen how this system works. 6 farming ideas, different timelines, different risks, different rewards, but one system, one piece of land divided into 6 particular portions. When poultry slows, goats hold. When tomatoes fail, cabbage feeds. When quick money ends, then coffee waits. You see, this is not farming by hope. This is farming by design. The land is not poor. It is just misused. You have just misused your land. When land is divided wisely, planned patiently, and worked faithfully, the land speaks back. This is Korobe Poultry Farm. Let me know where you are watching this video from, either the county or the country. Let me know that you have subscribed. Until next video, bye bye.